In today's competitive world, building a successful career requires more than just theoretical knowledge. It requires the right guidance, practical exposure, and job ready skills. At Sifcore, we've simplified that journey into 7 powerful steps. Step 1: Student registration. Your journey begins with enrollment. Thoughtful. Choose the course that aligns with your passion and career goals, and take your first step toward a brighter future. Step 2: Course program. Gain access to a well-structured, industry-oriented curriculum taught by expert trainers through live classes, recorded videos, assignments, and more. Step 3: Live projects. At Sifcore, learning means doing. You'll work on real-time projects and case studies that help you apply your skills in practical job-like scenarios. Step 4: Resume building. Our mentors help you build a professional, job-ready resume that highlights your skills, certifications, and project work, designed to impress employers. Step 5: Mock interviews and grooming sessions. We prepare you for the real world with mock interviews, soft skills training, and grooming sessions, so you face every opportunity with confidence. Step 6: Placement drives and company tie-ups. With strong industry tie-ups, we organize exclusive placement drives and connect you with hiring companies actively looking for fresh talent. Step 7: Successful job placements. And finally, you land the job you deserve. Hundreds of students have transformed their careers with Sifcore's complete training and placement support. Ready to start your success story? Take the first step today. Join Sifcore